Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing paper that holds ink but is thin enough to bend: index, printer, or recycled paperwork. Once chosen, measure and cut 3-inch squares or 2 times 3 rectangles. Make a light crease along one short edge so the pad peels easily. Apply a uniform, thin strip of glue from a glue stick across the crease. Press and let it set for 30–60 seconds so tack develops. This step gives you a predictable peel. Once your glue strip is tacky, stack 10 to 40 sheets with edges perfectly aligned. Alignment matters for clean peeling. Make one more thin pass of the glue stick along the creased edge only, not the whole sheet, because you want stickiness only at the top. Then clamp the stack under a heavy book or binder clips for 5 to 10 minutes to set. This pressure ensures the adhesive bonds evenly across sheets and keeps the pad square and usable. To finish, gently bend the top sheet away to test the peel. If sheets tear, sand the edge lightly or use fewer layers. If the glue is too weak, add a small dot of repositionable adhesive or poster putty to the center of the crease, because that increases hold without becoming permanent. Make sure to store pads flat and out of heat or humidity. If tackiness drops, refresh with a thin glue pass and rebond under weight for a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.